Ah, come on! Now we gotta outrun a windflare?
Cross the dam fast enough, we'll beat the storm wall. Come on, we gotta keep moving! This way!
Bad! This is really, really bad!
Just keep moving!
Come on! We can move from head to head! We got drones!
More of them up ahead!
Here you go!
Suppressor!
Over there! Sire!
Holy shit, there's two of them! Making them stronger!
All right, keep moving! Suppressor! Suppressor!
Come on, push up!
Suppressor!
Lock and load! Just what I needed. Oh, look what I found.
Frag out!
Nice. Stay down.
Back in your line!
This'll work. Oh, right. Come on, down here.
Keep coming.
Yeah, and that wind flare is getting worse. I say we wait it out.
We can't. We don't know how long the storm will last. Got it! God damn it! Take cover!
Watch it! Doobie!
Now we've got drones!
Clear him out!
We're clear! Now what?
Now we get across! Hold up! There's a turret!
Damn it! It's dug in! I can't get a shot!
Any ideas?
Hey! What about that thing? Hey! Give me a hand with this!
What are you doing? That thing's been dead a long time!
Yeah, well, it's worth a shot. I'm hoping the bombs in this thing will have some kick. All right, let's see what it's got. Now got some kick!
Come on, we gotta take out that turret!
Here we go!
Use the wind!
One more!
If we don't take out that turret, we're stuck here!
Get ready!
Launch the bombs toward the turret!
Launching again!
Good shot!
Launching! Here it comes! Again! Fire in the hole! And again!
Go down!
Get ready!
Launch the bombs at the turret!
Launching again! One more! Again!
Use the wind!
And again! Pull! Launching!
Use the wind!
Here it comes!
Launch the bombs toward the turret!
And again! Use the wind! Here it comes!
Come on, we gotta take out that turret!
Again! Here we go! Launching!
Turret's down!
Think it has a little too much kick! Look out! I can't believe that worked! Come on, let's go! Heads up! More drones! Oh, goodbye! Looks like their ship just came in. Need some help here. Great. Out of the storm and into the swarm.
Really?
Look out! Sniper!
Saber! Oh, everywhere. Shoot me down! Okay, guys, we gotta go. This storm's just getting worse.
Heads up! I got a nest!
Back out! Drone threat! Fire in the hole! Fire! Got a drone! Yes! Get the nest! Watch out! All right, get to the next one! Can't let it go to waste. Whoa! Storm wall's here!
Come on, we gotta push to that substation!
Got a drone!
Just ahead!
Hey, can't do this alone. Okay, who else votes we stay inside for a while?
Me.
Right here. A power plant with no power. That ironic.
It sucks, but technically, still no.
Could be the power's not being routed here.
Then we gotta fix that. If this substation's dark, shows the radio tower we'll need to call backup.
Where are we going anyway?
Spire.
Is that some cog base?
No, a town. It's been deserted for decades.
Yeah, let's just hope that radio tower's even functional. Power or no power.
Hey, Dad, check this out.
Well, that switch should reroute the main feed. Nice. We've got power and so does Spire. Now let's go make that call.
Someone really didn't want anything getting through here.
Hey, those transformers give me an idea. Check the control panel, see if you can vent the cores. See that? A few shots on that exposed core should be enough to overload the system.
Causing a massive electrical discharge.
And clearing the way. Good idea.
Whoa.
Okay, Dad. You've obviously done this before.
No, but close enough. Come on.
That windflare's still going strong.
If we're lucky, it'll have passed by the time we're out of here.
Yeah, I think we've established we're not very lucky.
Marcus, this backup of yours, how do you know he'll help?
Back at the house, I sent word I might need him. Pretty sure he's been waiting by the phone ever since.
Yeah? I guess we'll see about that, won't we? Ah!
It's him.
What? Who?
The one who took my mom.
Is where she belongs.
Kate, don't listen to it.
Tell me where my mother is!
The path to your mother lies through me.
Oh, shit.
The crystals on that thing are indestructible. Shoot the scabs.
Focus fire on those scabs!
This is taking too long! What else can we do?
Wait! Transformers!
JD!
is open. We gotta shoot the core.
Don't waste your bullets! I got you covered in that crystal shit! Alright, blisters are exposed! Open fire!
Core's exposed! Time to shoot it!
That's got it! Open fire on those blisters!
Scions, by the gate!
It's making us stronger!
Target the blisters! Okay, now we shoot the core!
Shoot the blisters! Not so fast!
You swarm are all connected, right? hives. Broadcasts. We're getting my mother back. Then we're burning your goddamn hive to the fucking ground!